Once Buddha was traveling with his disciples. They happened to pass a lake that supplied water to the nearby villages. It was a very hot and a sunny day. Buddha was so thirsty, so he sent one of his disciples to fetch water from the lake. When the disciple reached the lake, he noticed that the water had become very muddy since a bullock cart had just crossed the lake. Finding the water unfit for consumption, he walked back and suggested to Buddha to move to the next available water body. But surprisingly, Buddha asked the group to stay over there only and asked the same disciple to fetch water from the same lake in an hour. The disciple obediently went back after an hour. But this time too he found that the waters were muddy, though a lot less than earlier. Buddha asked him to go back in another hour. Third time, when the disciple went there, he found that the mud had settled down and the water was clear enough to be used for drinking. He collected some water in a pot and gave it to Buddha. Buddha looked at the water and said, "How did you solve the challenge of cleaning the muddy waters?" So, by doing nothing, you let it be. With time, the mud settled down on its own and you got clear water. Our mind also works exactly in the same way. A disturbed mind is the same as the muddy waters. To solve the problem of disturbed mind, you do nothing, you let it be. The disturbance of your mind will settle down on its own and you would get very clear and calm mind. Because when you put an effort to calm mind and to settle the things, and remember, never ever take a decision whenever you are disturbed. Because with a disturbed mind, you cannot go anywhere. Even it will make you more puzzled and disturbed. So always give time to yourself whenever you are disturbed. And this way all the things will settle down according to you as you are desiring. Time is so powerful and it has a naturally healing power. So in this story we learned that the muddy water was not the real problem. The real challenge and the problem was to show patience long enough for the mud to settle down and the water to get clear.